Have you ever feel the days when you wear your clean and comfortable clothes and automatically you feel very confident and productive? And then there are days जब आपने अपने फटे पुराने कपड़े पहने होते हैं and your hair are all over the place and suddenly you feel like doing absolutely nothing. That's because what you wear at home not only affects your appearance, but it also affects your mood and confidence, and specifically how you see yourself. So we hear a lot about what we should be wearing to the parties, what we should be wearing to the offices, and all of that. कि wedding में क्या पहने, office में क्या पहने, parties में क्या पहने. But when it comes to how we should be dressing at home, nobody talks about it. Because घर के लिए हमारे पास वही पुराने कपड़े बचे होते हैं कि वही पुराने कपड़े हैं या बाहर नहीं पहन सकते तो आप घर पहन लो. अगर आपकी भी यही थॉट प्रोसेस है then this video is definitely for you. So hi, my name is Mahima Saneja and I'm your very own personal stylist and an image consultant, and in today's episode we are going to talk about how to elevate your home style because confidence starts even before you step out. So let's get started. First, upgrade your loungewear because we have often seen people wearing worn and torn pajamas with oversized t-shirts. I know it's very comfortable, but it doesn't look presentable at all. So in order to look more presentable, you can go ahead and invest in matching cord sets. You can also buy cotton kurta sets which looks very comfortable and at the same time they look very presentable. Or maybe you can go ahead with well-fitted t-shirt with straight leg joggers or relaxed fit lounge pants. The goal isn't to look dress up, the goal is to look more intentional. Second, stop wearing faded, torn, and stained clothes because let's be honest, we all have that one t shirt that has survived for years and now it has become our home clothes. Just because you are at home does not mean you can wear anything that has completely lost its color and shape. Something is stained, have holes in it, and looks completely worn out. It's time to let it go. Third, keep your hair neat and tidy. I am not asking you to go to salon and get your blow dry done because let's be real, it's not possible. But a sleek ponytail, low bun, maybe braiding your hair या फिर claw clip वाला जो hair style चल रहा है, and you can go ahead and make that because taking just 30 seconds to tidy up your hair neatly will make you look more put together. Fourth, don't forget your slippers. I know that sounds small, but it actually makes a huge difference. We often spend a lot of time talking about how our shoes can actually complete an outfit. The same logic applies even at home. A clean and comfortable pair of slippers will look more put together instead of that old and worn chappals that have seen better days. And finally, dress as if someone important is coming over. Not because you are expecting guests, but you are important. You need to look presentable and intentional all the time. I'm not asking you to put on makeup, wear your jewelry. Just wear your clean and comfortable clothes with more intention. Because you deserve to look good even in your own space. Because हमेशा self care, skin care या फिर spa नहीं होती. Sometimes it's also simply changing your old t-shirt and wearing something that feels good. So next time when you're getting dressed at home, remember this. Looking put together isn't about perfection. It's about showing that little extra care every single day. So I hope you find this video very useful, and if you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. And if you would like to take any personalized styling guidance, whether it's color analysis, personal styling or maybe wardrobe consultation, you can DM me on Instagram or you can comment down below and my team will contact you. Let's create a style that authentically feels like you.